Tiny tots to teenagers are kicking soccer balls, running bases, and hitting the hoops. A great start to physical literacy.
Physical literacy is a relatively new concept, but it's the idea of helping children to have the ability, confidence, and desire to be physically active for life. We're finding that a lot of kids are not they're not getting the 1 hour a day of physical activity that we recommend. Or on the other side, there's kids that are like specializing in all these sports very early on, and they're not really developing the full breadth of fundamental skills that kids should have, like running, jumping, skipping, swimming, and play.
Pediatrician Natalie Muth of Children's Physicians Medical Group says physical literacy starts in infancy and continues on through the vital teenage years.
For Haley, at 2 months old, having tummy time during the day and her being able to practice developing a little bit of her upper body strength to be able to lift her head up, it seems small, but that actually is helping her to set the stage from the very beginning.
Dr. Muth says physical literacy is targeted at fundamental skills such as running, jumping, throwing, kicking, catching, and climbing.
What we're finding is that a lot of times kids don't develop these skills, or they focus in one area early on and they don't have that breadth of skills. So what happens when they get older and start to play sports with other kids or be involved in team-based activities, if they don't have the skills that they developed from being younger, they don't have fun doing it because they're behind or they can't keep up.
Because kids lose confidence, they often avoid physical activity when they hit the teenage years.
And that's what we're seeing happen with a lot of kids, where they may be very active and get that hour of physical activity when they're 3 or 4, but when they become 16, 17, they've just stopped altogether, and then they go on to being adults that are sedentary and not active.
Dr. Muth says teaching your child physical literacy skills is easy.
Oh, good job. Should I do 2 hands? 2 hands. Oh.
They don't have to become the next great athlete. It's really just something that they can enjoy that helps to move their body and helps them to be able to continue on with being physically active for the long haul.
To learn more about physical literacy or other children's health topics, visit cpmgsandiego.com or call 877-276-4543.